So if you want to add a form to your website or a send post form to your website, so here's how to go about it. So basically, I just come to subscription form and I click on create a new form. Then I want to create an embedded form. So I select an embedded form. Then I choose the mailing list the form data will be stored in. I can choose from any of the options I have here, or I can create one on the fly. So I want to choose this. So here I have the form already, and this will be named after the mailing list the form data will be saved to, as you can see. So the first thing I want to do is to fix this error message up here. And I just want to make sure I attach this form to a website. So you need to make sure that you're attaching this form to your website domain name. So you don't need to add www or any other thing, and let's apply changes. And this form, I just want it to be a newsletter form. So I want to request for name and email address. So I just add name right here, an email address, and I'll attach this name data to the name variable on my mailing list. And I have the necessary information I need. So let me put this at the center. And there you have it. So once I'm done with editing my form or creating my form, let me increase the width a little bit. I want to now add this form to my website. So what I will do is to click on save. And once you save your form, you will have access to the form code. So you have two options. You have the HTML option and you have the script. Always use the script because whenever you make changes to the form right here, it updates on your website. But if you use the HTML option, whenever you make any changes to the form on send post, you will have to change the code all over again. As you can see the warning here. All right, so you need to replace this code on page each time you edit and save the form in the builder. So with the script option, you don't need to do that. So let's copy this code by clicking on copy code. And let's now go to our WordPress. Now, just in case you have questions about, I use a different WordPress builder. I use Elementor. Regardless of the WordPress builder you use, all you need to look for is an HTML box, right? So in this option right here, I'm going to look for an HTML custom element right here, as you can see, and I'll just paste the code. Now, in your website design, you will see that the input is written as a code. But let's look at the website. Let's refresh this website here. And as you can see, there is the WordPress form added to it. All right. If I remove this form, send post form. All right. So you can scroll down and you can see there's nothing there. There is no form at the bottom of the page right here. So let's add the code back again and let us update it. And let's view page. So at the point, as you can see, the form is added. So if you see that on your website design, you are not seeing the form, you are only seeing a code. As long as you paste the code on the section you want it to be, you will actually see the form will display on the website. So you can see the form display on the website is exactly what we have on the send post builder.